Welcome back to another Steam Freak episode. Today we've got the Sioux Mobile Wash Steam Cleaner Pressure Washer, and we've come to where the problem is. As you'll notice all over this cement, people are carelessly throwing their gum around like they just don't care. We're gonna set this baby to pressure wash mode and wipe it clean. Today we're bringing out the Sioux Dakota Sioux H5.5D3000-G. Mated with the 25 horse Honda motor, this baby is reliable. Take it where you need to go and get the job done. Today we'll be putting the machine in pressure wash mode to give us the impact force needed to cut the gum right off the concrete. Superpower! Thing about the pressure washer, it cuts the grease, cuts the gum, takes it off. We're cleaning one thing at a time here today and having a little fun in the sun. Now this is freaking clean. Obviously you cannot bring the sidewalk to the machine. That's why Sioux Mobile Pressure Washer Unit allows you to bring the machine to the sidewalk. The Steam Freak strikes again. Only this time we used hot water, high pressure, to cut the grease and grime right off the surface in no matter of time. With Sioux, you decide what pressure and heat you're gonna need. Today we used 200-degree water at about 2,500 PSI. It was the perfect mix and made the job fly by. Well, our work here is done. Superpower to the rescue again. Until next time, folks, our contact information is in the description below. Thanks for watching.